Hi, CJ Crum from First Line Technology here to showcase our Phdk kit. The Phdk kit, or public Hybrid Decon kit, is a kit designed to do a minimum of 250 people during a mass casualty or significant incident. The Phdk kit contains 500 pieces of our Phdk 12x12 pad. Also, it comes with 10 of our DSC 6-ounce soap solution that can be used at a 1:20 ratio for soap and water decon on human skin. 1 pouch to 1 gallon of water will give you that 1:20 ratio. Inside you have a choice of sprayers. You can either go with the 3-gallon Decon keg pneumatic sprayer, or you can go with a 1-gallon hand pump sprayer if you want to be totally logistic independent. The Phdk can be used and deployed by one person. It comes in a SKB hard case on wheels and can be maneuvered into an area where vehicle entrance is not ideal. This kit can be used at concerts, churching events, sporting events, in the case of there would be a mass casualty or significant release of a contaminant.